Okay, this is a receiving concealing motor vehicle third offense, or habitual third. There was an offer for him to plead to receive and conceal 202,000, I believe. How are we proceeding?
I believe there's an offer of joyriding the 90-day runner. And I believe there's no objection to immediate sentencing, fines, and costs.
Witness here?
I'll have to go see if the officer's here.
Not the. Okay. I'm not looking for an officer. This was an allegation that he stole someone else's vehicle?
Moped, yes.
Okay.
It was reported stolen, and he was in possession of it at a later time.
Is there any restitution?
No, we're not asking for restitution.
Okay. And that, the owner of the moped, is that person here?
No, that person not.
No immediate sentencing, but we can take the plea today.
But you would, but the offer, the agreement to fines and costs would be appropriate just on a different day.
I don't know about any agreement to find something.
Yeah, what does that mean? I'm sorry.
I don't know anything about the case. I don't know anything about this criminal record yet. I know this is charged as a third habitual. I don't know if he's on probation. I don't know why he would be only getting fines and costs. I don't know. So that's why I don't know anything about that. That's between you all.
Oh, so you say you would accept the plea, but you might not follow it as.
Yeah, I don't know what the sentencing is going to be. I can't tell you that.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I'm understanding, Your Honor, it'd be a 90-day joyriding with a Kilbrew to fines and costs. And if you don't accept it, then.
He has the right to withdraw his plea.
Understood. We're okay with that.
Oh, you want to accept that plea? You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury. You can put your hand down. You have the right to proceed to trial and the right to jury trial. You're presumed innocent until proven guilty. You can maintain your innocence and require the prosecutor to prove each element of the charge being brought against you beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that? You have the right to see, hear, or question in court any witness that's called to testify against you. The right to call your own witnesses that will testify on your behalf. The right to remain silent, not have it be used against you, or you can waive silence and take the stand at your trial. You understand each of those rights?
No.
You willing to waive those rights today?
No.
Anyone threatening you to do that?
No.
Are you on probation or on parole?
No.
You understand that by pleading guilty, it could result in a conviction that you may need to report to a current employer, or you may need to put this on a future job application.
Mhm.
It also could have impact on where you can travel or get immigration status. Do you understand that? As to the amended count of joyriding, how do you plead?
Mhm.
Because you believe you're guilty?
Mhm.
Factual basis.
Yeah.
Sorry. Let's jump forward. I'm gonna take you back to April 27, 2026. Were you around the West Grand Avenue and Stabler Street in Lansing, Michigan, County of Michigan, State of Michigan? Were you in possession of a moped?
No. Got a motorcycle.
That was a motorcycle. Okay. Were you in possession of a motorcycle? Oh, that's true. Did that motorcycle have the key was on the ignition for it to run?
Okay.
Based on that information, the appearance of the vehicle or the motorcycle, did you have reason to believe that a motorcycle was stolen?
I don't think you could answer on this.
I can't hear what he says.
Yes, I reason that it may have been stolen.
Both sides, but
Where it says on a factual basis, I would accept your plea. Or you can legally, voluntarily, and intelligently. Are you employed? Where?
But,
What do you do there?
production.
You can make allocution.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a situation, and Mr. Poe will explain a lot better. He was given the motorcycle from a friend, he was asked to work on it. Mr. Timko should have knew better, when he rode the motorcycle, when he realized it was a key in the ignition and the appearance of the motorcycle itself. In a sense, maybe he should not rode or worked on that motorcycle. Here we are, Your Honor. He's employed, as he indicated, at Dakota. He has no problem paying fines and costs. I would ask for 30 to 60 days. And this is hopefully something that should never happen again, Your Honor. I'll have Mr. Simple, if court allows him to make allocution.
Attorney said, you should have like my friend to get running for him. Should have known from the king not being there and appearance of the bike that it probably was stolen.
Now, you should have knew, you did know. You knew, so. Didn't you?
Oh, man.
You or should have known.
No, he knew it was stolen. If you're someone who works on bikes, you're so familiar with a motorcycle, but you don't know that it's been tampered with in a way that is consistent with it being stolen. Who is the customer that you were fixing it for?
Steve Wyman.
Steve Wyman was charged with stolen vehicle or something?
we have yet to find out who Steve Wyman is.
That was the name given to the police, but I don't think they looked into it.
They looked into it.
They looked.
They couldn't find Steve Wyman. But we also couldn't find the owner. Well, we also haven't located the owner yet. That's why we're comfortable with moving forward.
Okay, I'm reviewing the affidavit of probable cause. The concern that I have is I don't believe he's forthcoming about whether or not he knew it was stolen. Based off what I see in the affidavit of probable cause, anyone would have known it was stolen, but especially someone who is so skilled that they fix motorcycles. They knew it was stolen. The other concern that I have is that in the last 8 months, the amount of times he's been criminally charged.
I think part of this plea, Your Honor, is if the difficulty locating the owner and potential trial think this is a fair resolution given the circumstances. That's, I think, why because they're ready to proceed today with one of the officers. I think, I don't know what happened in the last 8 months. I know what happened today.
I know what happened in the last 8 months. A lot of alleged criminal activity. How do we turn the corner? We just keep giving him slaps on the wrist.
I would not consider this case the one to, the provability, I think, for the prosecution is going to be slightly difficult. I think that's why the resolution was reached in this case, for purposes of judicial, not wasting the court's time, letting this sit in the circuit court for an eventual dismissal or another resolution plea. Mr. Go, as soon as I relayed the offer, he said, he has some responsibility. He did it, he said you can make a factual basis.
What's the fact vote for jury rating?
Your Honor, it's actually 750.4148.
Fine, it's $500. What are you gonna pay? Excuse me? How much you paying today?
Yes?
Yes.
I don't know anything.
You're gonna pay something before 60 days. How much you paying within the next 30 days? You're only gonna be able to pay 150 within the next 30 days, but you're gonna pay the balance within 60 days?
I mean, no, I'm moving out of my current residence and that's all like that.
Yeah, but I'm asking if that's accurate, that you're gonna be able to pay their balance in the next 60 days. Are you sure about that? That you're paying no less than $100 within the next 30 days. They'll pay $100 per month until paid in full. Any additional matters for the record?
Other people, Your Honor.
You're all set.